Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Box, and in this video I'm opening the December 2017 Magic Chest box. So this is a really cool book subscription box, and especially I feel like fantasy and magic realism type of books. If you like the fantasy magic realism type genres. So, in every box you get a personalised letter about the box, which is really lovely. So the theme for this, and you get a postcard, and this one's particularly cute. The theme for this Magic Chest box is childhood memories. I really like that postcard, it's gorgeous. So let's see what we've got in the box. So, we have an Alice in Wonderland badge with the white rabbit and some flowers. Oh, that's really cute. The next item is a Peter Pan themed candle, and this is a Magic Chest exclusive. And it's called Never Grow Up, and it's wildflowers, lost boys and pixie dust. So let's have, oh, that's really interesting. It's very pretty floral smell, and it's gorgeous blue colour with glitter, and so it's like the night sky. Yummy. The next thing is we've got a mug, and it's got Harry Potter quote on: "Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light." So that's that design, and it's really nice. Yay, we got some Kinder chocolate, which is always lovely to get chocolate. I love chocolate. Oh, yummy. So we've got 3 Kinder chocolate sticks. And then we've got a postcard: "All children except one grow up." So that's from Peter Pan. And this postcard: "They were not railway children to begin with." So those are cool. And the book for December is this edition of A Christmas Carol, and it's hardback, and it's got all this pattern on it. And it looks like that, and it's got illustrations in. and it's got an introduction by Anthony Horowitz. And this edition is 2016. And the illustrations are copyright Mark Pepe 1984. So it's an edition of Christmas Carol. And now we've got this little cute art print, and it's a signpost, and it's all the signs to all the different lands. You've got the Secret Garden, Hogwarts, the Shire, Neverland, Wonderland and Narnia. So that's really cute. So that's a cute childhood themed box. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Yay!